This is 3.5 kg latest model AE390 of Atta Maker for this Daraz shipping label 21st April 2025. The machine is okay from all the sides. We will show you in this video also. पीछे से दिखाओ नीचे से. It is absolutely okay and there are no damages. It comes with a metal plate, a plastic plate and a measuring flask. This is the genuine carton which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. We are Orion Engineering Company in Karachi. Please do give review with pictures when you receive the item from Daraz, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos, comment on them. The machine is about to stop as the timer slowly comes to the off position. It easily needs to within 3 to 5 minutes. Please do read the instruction manual before initial use. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped, so it is working perfectly okay. This is the stainless steel tub of this machine, which can easily be removed and washed with water and then placed back again, seeing the mark on this side. बाकी चीजें भी रखो अंदर. The machine is packed in its genuine carton, and now it will be packed as per Daraz packaging guidelines in brown sheet and bubble wrap. Ground sheet packing is complete. Now our packing person is packing it in Daraz packaging guideline of bubble wrap. Package is almost complete, and now we will apply this shipping label on it. ये कैसे लगा? Thank you. The packaging is now complete. We are Orion Engineering Company in Karachi.